This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz SL 550. It features a 4.7-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a cooled driver's seat, a low tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, a power retractable hardtop, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a driver airbag, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, performance tires, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Mercedes-Benz of Baton Rouge is located at 10949 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge. We are locally owned and operated. To better serve you, Mercedes-Benz of Baton Rouge offers a world-class sales and service experience. Please contact us for your vehicle needs.